Nope.
Hey guys, and welcome to Tropical Crypto, where we give you level-headed commentary on the crypto markets. Unfortunately, it's a sea of red at the moment.
Staying alive.
Okay. Staying alive.
Today we're going to be listening to some advice from Tom Lee, and I know a few of you may be thinking,
Who the is that guy? Who the is that?
no, but Tom is awesome and he has some great advice. But first I'd like to say, subscribe to my channel, show us some love. We're really new, so we appreciate every like, every subscribe. So thanks for that, we really appreciate it. I'd first love to get into this tweet by a guy that I really love called Blunts or Smart Contractor. I'd recommend you giving him a follow. He posted a few days ago actually, saying he's quite bearish, even though I know that he's a long-term hodler. So I recommend following traders because they're kind of unemotional. They're definitely not moon boys and think, every day like we're going to go to the moon. But yeah, these people are more realistic. So this is why I enjoy following them. Another awesome indicator for you to be aware of is the Fear and Greed Index. So generally, we want to actually do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. So right now, everyone is kind of fearful. And as Warren Buffett says, being fearful, or when people are fearful, that's the best time to be buying. So last month, everyone had extreme greed, that's actually probably the best time to be selling if you are going to be selling short term. I don't like selling short term. I think it's better to buy and hold, which we'll get into later in the episode. But this Fear and Greed Index really is a good indicator to know where we are in the market. So now we're going to jump into Tom Lee's video and his advice. This guy, he actually talks quite a lot about stocks, but he's a huge crypto bull. So let's see what he has to say.
I'm in the camp that this is going to prove to be a really good buying opportunity. Now, I heard Michael Santoli, and I agree with him. I don't think that means stocks find their bottom today or even tomorrow. But, is the recovery that's only 1 year into over, or has the pent-up demand been exhausted because of some property woes in Asia? I would say no. So I would look at sell-offs like this, which is like sort of broad-based selling, as time to sort of add incrementally, only knowing that it may not be bottoming today.
I love how he says that people can buy and average in on this dip because we never know where the market's going to go. So if you are willing to hold long term, you're most likely going to be successful. Obviously not financial advice, but yeah, if you need to buy and then sell in a couple of weeks or in a couple of months, this may not be the opportunity for you. We could be entering into a 2-year bear market. Who knows? But let's see what else he has to say.
In crypto and Bitcoin, you never really had to own Bitcoin more than 24 months to actually never lose money. So I think Bitcoin is hyper volatile. That's the nature of it, but that's what creates the reward for people. And again, even though Bitcoin is in the penalty box now, I still think it can exit the year over 100,000.
So for me, I think it's really important that we embrace this volatility. If we want Bitcoin's price to be volatile to the upside, we need to be willing to accept it to the downside. For me, I personally feel that this movement, this red day today, is just very normal for Bitcoin, and it allows us to build strength and build power for the next move higher. But anyway, I definitely could be wrong. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, guys.